everyone that just got here. Thank you for coming. Very quickly, you can just say my name is and how you know Righteous.
She's my sister. We are sisters. We come from way back. I'll tell you more about it, but she's my sister.
Hi everyone, my name is Fortunate.
Hi everyone. When we talk, let's raise our voice because others are hear each other. My name is Kuti, and Rachel, she's my daughter. I'm a mom pastor, and she's my daughter. Rachel from Sunday school until today, I'm the proud mom. Hello everyone. Sorry, I'm Lavish. My name is I'm her big sister.
My name is Bridal. So Righteous is now my sister, and we don't call each other friends, we call each other sisters. We met in school, but then we became close 2017 work. So yeah, our friendship started in 2017.
Hi everyone. I've met a couple of you on WhatsApp. I'm Akho. I met Righteous and 17. We are the triplets. She's also my sister. She's my friend, but she's my sister. Yeah, we have grown to sisters and not friendship. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanele. I know Righteous from work, came close, and now she's basically my sister and my love buddy. We work on the 7th floor, yeah.
Hi everyone. My name is Dinny. Righteous is my sister.
One big family.
Hi everyone.
My name is Komi. She is my cousin sister. Our mothers are sisters.
Hallelujah. Jesus.
Guys, my name is Pearl, and Righteous is my guardian angel. God sent her to guide me on earth. So she's my angel.
Sis cat.
Hi everyone. My name is Tinzwano. I've known Rachel for 4 years now. If I have 13 to 14 years where I work, so that means I've known her. So she's just that sister, you know, the tribalist thing. We are at home and now we just have to dare each other. So she's just like that.
Thank you. And then we'll have Ma'am say hi everyone. I'm just joking. You can just say hello. Okay. Thank you everyone for introducing yourselves. One thing I
Hey everyone. I'm Monica. I'm Righteous, my sister, and I'm happy to be here.
You can just introduce yourself quickly and then.
Hello everyone. My name is Vanele.
You just say how you know the how you know.
Oh, we're friends.
Okay.
Thank
I should tell the pain,
My name is Naifoma, so I work with Righteous, and she's also my dear friend. That's how I know her. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I'm Mrs. Amana. I'm a pastor's wife.